You are Mr. Gatterson. Mr. Gatterson, let's go through some things. Since a short couple years ago, PCS, evading arrest, criminal mischief, evading arrest, criminal mischief, suspended license, POM, trespass, delivery, assault, suspended license, assault, resisting arrest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and now 27. You are 33 years old and on number 27. You now, again, stand charged with criminal mischief. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On April 15th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer was dispatched to a shooting in progress. Complainant advised that he knew defendant for 10 years and that a week ago, defendant, quote, whooped complainant's ass. On that day, on April 15th, complainant was dropping his friend off when defendant grabbed a rock and threw it at his motor vehicle. Complainant thought he was getting shot at due to the loud noise shattering the glass in the back windshield. Complainant advised it would cost him about $200 to fix. Officer observed nearby surveillance video of defendant picking up a rock and throwing it at complainant's vehicle.
What time of day or night was this? And if of all the other criminal mischiefs, is this the same complaining witness as any of the other ones?
So, Your Honor, it looks like it was at around 2 p.m. Taking a look at the prior criminal mischief. Your Honor, the prior criminal mischiefs have different limits.
Mr. Gatterson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to test you weekly to make sure that you're not using. You will now get a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., and you will get an ankle monitor so I know where you are at all times. Does he have an open case in another county?
I'm taking a look right now, Your Honor. I'm just pulling up his criminal history and confirming.
How do you support yourself now, Mr. Gatterson? Are you working full time?
Yes.
I want proof. I'm not going to take your word for it, but I'm, as a condition of your bond, ordering you to work full time, and I'm ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons, not to have any contact with this complaining witness. I'm putting another ankle monitor so I know where you are at all times, and you will get a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. And I'm telling you now, Mr. Gatterson, if you test positive for anything, I'm going to revoke your bond. You will not get any more PR bonds. And because of all the drama, you will get a serious bond. Do you understand? I'm going to protect my community at all costs. You are on now number 27.
It looks like he does have 2 open cases out of North Bend County, a terroristic threat and a criminal mischief.
Another criminal mischief.
Yes, Your Honor.
Take a seat for me in the jury box. Can you appoint Mr. Gatterson a lawyer? I don't know if I'm going to give him another, this is yet another PR bond. Just not going to happen. Hi, Sean.
Good morning, huh?
You ready?
Yeah, how are you, Joe?
Doing great. How are you?
Good. Okay, that's right.
I come up. I don't know how much you know about This gentleman,
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
I don't know how much you know about this gentleman, but he is 33 years old. This now is his 27th case. He is on bond and has 2 open cases in Fort Bend County for the same thing within 1 year. It is a 4th criminal mischief. Deputy, I'm finding your bond wholly insufficient. I don't think that there's any non-financial conditions that will protect our community and that you will abide by. You have repeatedly shown that you are incapable of, look at me, self-control. Mr. Gatterson, of all the cases over the last couple years, one thing is evident and one thing only. Self-control has a, I want you to look at me so we are on the same page. Self-control is a killer. And there are many people in TDC now doing life because of the lack of self-control. 27 cases, and you're 33 years old. That's nearly 1 case for every damn year you have been alive. At some point, we got to say when, but it's just not fair to everyone else. You understand? We do what we do for a reason, not out of hate, not out of spite, but I don't know what we need to do to get a hold of you so that you understand that something catastrophic at some point is going to happen and you will have dug yourself such a deep hole, your butt's never going to crawl out of. It's unacceptable. No, I know that you're going to tell me it's rainbows and gumdrops. Stop. Stop. Mr. Gatterson, paper tells me everything because actions speak louder than words. And 29 in 33 years of life. No more.
If I may, just.
Sure.
In my client's case, Your Honor, the majority of those cases were dismissed, Your Honor. So I understand that there were arrests, but a lot of them did not lead to final convictions. Over half of them, probably 70% of them were dismissed, Your Honor. So I would ask the court to take that into consideration as well. Keep in mind, Your Honor, he does have these. There are cases in Fort Bend County. There's still a presumption of innocence, Your Honor. I do understand that he had a history with the same types of crimes, but a lot of those cases were dismissed, Your Honor. So we're asking the court to take that into consideration before making a final decision on this. And so my client is indicating that, he was also was in the process of seeking treatment, mental health treatment, to try to help deal with his anxiety and issues, Your Honor. So I think that my client understands.
I don't think so. I don't believe it. I don't think so. And I think that your bond is wholly insufficient. You have 2 open cases, and the time for you to do what you said that was way long ago. It's too late now. Sorry. I just don't think that it's a good idea with all those open cases and that it's a 4th mischief within a year. It's not a good idea. I don't think there are any conditions that we can place that will.
So what is the court position, Your Honor? Are you setting a bond, Your Honor?
Of course.
Okay.
You tell me what you want. I mean, I'll be reasonable, but I just don't think another PR about this. At some point, the revolving door has to stop, and it stops now. It's not fair to everybody else in this life. I'm okay with whatever you want within reason. What do you think?
Well, $500, Your Honor.
No. It's going to be a couple thousand at least, but
Do 1,000, Your Honor.
do 2,000.
We do 1,500, that'd be great.
Sure.
Okay.
But it's not a revolving door. He will have a GPS monitor upon release with a strict curfew of 7 to 7. No contact with anyone, no dope, no alcohol, no weapons, and we'll see how it goes forward. But I need him to understand the door closes. It's not going to keep opening and keep,
From my understanding, he does have the monitoring on current before being,
and he picked up a new case. Right.
so you want to require now with 2 monitors. I'm just,
Because we can't attach to that monitor, right?
If you don't have
I can't, I don't know. I can't attach to that monitor, so I have no idea what'll happen. So, yeah, okay, thanks.
so 1,500.
1,500 bones.
Okay, all right.
Thanks.
Thank you.